Hi, I just want to say a couple of words about this place. This is the only one anchor in the autonomous province of Vojvodina, or part of Serbia. And actually, this is the only one anchor in the Panamanian Basin. If somebody is not familiar with geography, I'll just like to mention that's the territory of entire Hungary, North Serbia, North Croatia, Western Romania, a part of Ukraine, Southern Slovakia, and one small part of Austria. This place, it was formed by the monks at 18th centuries, and it's very well preserved because of the physical distance of the village, and at that time it wasn't easy to approach of this place in the past. And of course, the monks were here during the fasting period. That could be for a couple of months, and they ate only what they find in the nature. And this is the place of the very highly rated by the cultural, historical, and religious heritage, and it's protected by the government of the Republic of Serbia.